What is the engagement, Mr. Hanumanta Rao? Hanumanta Rao, please. Now we are opening up for the last comment and opening up this to debate. Mr. Hanumanta Rao, why is your government just closed the shutters? Refused to engage? We won't talk. Is that an attitude to have?
No, my point is, every time Anna Hazare is pressurizing, so it is the parliament duties of let them take into parliament, we can discuss this thing. Every time he is pressurizing, and moreover, after Anna Hazare was started, and judges also taking money, sir, in Andhra Pradesh, the corruption, it is after Anna Hazare has taken this issue, more corruption was started. What is this? I don't know. The previous I never heard about judges will take the money. It is a 10 crores or 100 crores. So where is this thing? So my point is, let us, we can discuss everybody and how it is happening, where is the corruption, it is a grassroots. Everybody was think over on that issue, but instead of politicalizing, it is a very unfortunate what I want to say.
No, but where's the meeting ground here? Shazia, I go back to you. My TSR Subramaniam raises his hand. We are opening this up to debate right now. Yes, Mr. Subramaniam. Yes, Mr. Subramaniam, go on.
Look, I think we have come to the core of the issue. Let me start with a small preamble. There has been a lot of loose references to democracy. I am not quite so sure that this is a correctly, properly functioning democracy. I think that needs a serious debate. I don't want to be casual about it. It is a serious debate when 60-70% in poverty, health, 1, 2, 3. I think generally also the confidence in our parliamentarians will come down. My own hunch is that I'm not talking about SIT, etc. I'm talking about the core demand of Lokpal. My hunch is that 90% of the people, if you leave aside the political class, the bureaucrat class and the business class, if you leave aside the elite class who are in clubs, etc., I think 95 to 98%. So my first fundamental question is, Digvijay casually says it's democracy as if he invented democracy in India, as if he was present there during the signing of Magna Carta. That's my first point. My second point is this: after a 2-year dialogue, how much more dialogue will you have? There are, in my view, two core issues outstanding. One relating to independence of the CBI. We have seen for the last 30 years what has happened. Other relating to the independence of the process of selection. If these two issues are settled, I don't think all the others are... Now, I think the time has now come not to play games and have melodrama. Government as a mature government should now say, I reject these. I don't think if they give independent CBI, I don't think BJP will object. I don't think anybody else will object. It's only their own decision. On independence of selection process, nobody else is going to object. It is now, I think, as a mature country, as a mature, I agree that the Anna movement could have been better organized. That's a separate question.
No, are you for or against what's going on? No, Mr. Subramaniam.
We will not agree to this or we'll agree to this and close the chapter.
Okay, rebut coming in from Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi, go on. Sorry, Kiran Kher, I'm so sorry. Yes.
Same thing. We come from the same area and we believe in the same thing.
Okay.
I want to say one thing, that Mr. Subramaniam, I would like to slightly correct him. I respect him deeply. But when he says that I don't think the BJP wants an independent CBI, I would like to take you back to Anna's last year's August Kranti. And remember when the BJP top brass...
No. I said nobody will object. No, I want to correct you.
No, we do want it. We want,
I said, no,
we want an independent CBI.
Independence will be given, everybody will agree. That's what I said.
No, but we've been asking for it. Mr. Jaitley has spoken about it on the night of the 29th of December. Mrs. Swaraj spoke about it in the Lok Sabha. And we want an independent investigation agency.
I want to ask you, Kiran Kher, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not doing this deliberately. Please don't think I'm doing this deliberately. I do many things deliberately.
No problem.
This is not one of them.
No problem.
Yeah. My question is, Kiran Kher, where is this anger?
Yes.
This anger is so selective, you see. Why does Arvind Kejriwal not fast for an SIT against Yediyurappa, against Jagan Mohan Reddy? against
That's
Chhagan
right.
Bhujbal,
One minute.
against
Because
NCP ministers,
Yediyurappa-
against
I
the
want to
aircraft
take that as-
acquisition, against
Once
corrupt
and for all,
judges.
I
Can I
want
answer? Can I
No,
answer?
it's the...
Let me answer. The question is to me.
Arunab,
Okay, question is to you. Then after that, Mr. Salve, coming
I
to you.
want to take
Yes,
this.
1 second. Shazia has already
I
responded.
want to answer
I want to take this,
Mr.
Arnab.
Santosh Hegde, Mr. Santosh Hegde already indicted Mr. Yediyurappa, and
Oh,
Mr.
that's-
Yediyurappa was asked to step down by the BJP. He is no longer in office, and there is a case going on against him. With Jagan Mohan Reddy, I wonder why the Congress didn't question Rajshekhar Reddy.
No,
since
selective.
Jagan Mohan Reddy couldn't have made all these thousands of crores overnight, you know. So it is. the
How does that
Congress
matter?
government which is
It is the degree to
corruption.
which you escalate an issue.
beg-
It is the degree to which you escalate an
I beg
issue.
your pardon?
It is the degree to which you escalate
That's
an issue. You have not gone
We
on
need to
fast.
escalate it,
You have
Arnab.
not gone on fast. Almost in a position where Section 309 attempt to commit suicide can be used against you, against any of the people who I have mentioned. Harish Salve is coming in. Shazia is rebutting after that. Mr. Salve.
Arnab, the point is this. I've been saying this on your channel for the last year and a half. It is now clear beyond shadow of a doubt to people like me who have been openly critical of this movement from day one. This movement is about showing muscle. We want this law, we want it this way and no other way. Believe me, the gap is very narrow. On contentious issues, there are two views possible. CBI has to be independent is a given. That's not negotiable. Should it be under the Lokpal? Should it not be under the Lokpal? Big issue. So you cannot have this kind of a dogmatic attitude saying our law has to be made and targeting these 15 ministers, sharing the stage with Baba Ramdev, who speaks at cross purposes. I mean, it's very clear this is now a politically driven movement to show our strength, our muscle. That's our takeaway. In the last year and a half, we've not had a debate about the flaws in the Jan Lokpal draft. I'm telling you, I said this on your channel before and I'm saying it today, that law will be a disaster for this country. It will not cure corruption by an inch.
Yes, it will be a disaster for the
Nobody
corrupt.
wants to
You're
talk
right,
about
Mr.
the
Salve.
root
It will be a
causes of
disaster for the corrupt.
corruption. Go back to
Mr.
the-
Salve is right. It will
Nobody
be a
talks of
disaster
the
for
root
the
causes of
corrupt.
corruption.
Mr. Salve is absolutely right. Jan Lokpal will
Yes,
be
yes,
a
you can
disaster
go
for
on.
the corrupt.
See, this is-
and all the corrupt
this
ministers
kind of
and
Hyde
MPs.
Park
You are
oratory
right,
can
Mr.
go on.
Salve. You are right.
Right.
Mr. Salve, you are right. You know, Arnab, you know what the problem
That is the level of
the real
debate we
beneficiaries
have
of power
today on the
are such
Lokpal bill.
selfish,
One second.
servile,
It is the-
sycophants.
That's right.
They don't
So
want the system to
you're-
change.
if you don't
They're
support
happy
our
with the
bill, you're
status
corrupt.
quo.
I
We
mean,
are
this
saying
is-
something is very wrong with the way things are.
No,
with the
but-
way democracy has been hijacked. Something has got to give. The system
Correct.
is not
And the
delivering.
Lokpal is not
Please
going to
see
address-
the writing on the wall.
Lokpal
Please
is
come
not
here.
going to
Don't
address
talk to
the
people who
first
benefit
My
from
question
them.
is,
They don't
my
want to
question
change.
is, may I please come in?
Then
Please,
line up with one
please,
party or the
Shazia,
other.
may
No,
I
this
please
is a
come?
great opportunity.
May I please come in? You
This
see?
is ranting.
May I please
Sorry.
come in? 1 second. Sorry, Salvi, may I please come in? You allow me to come in. You see, my question is tonight,
I can't hear now.
my question is, can you hear me, Shazia? Yeah. My question is tonight, you're not having dialogue with the government? You're not willing to let Arvind Kejriwal be hospitalized. What's the contingency plan? Narayan Swamy says
No,
we're not
don't.
talking.
We're extremely
What is your contingency plan? What do you want?
You know, we don't want Arvind to suffer. I think it's endless suffering that Arvind is going through and Gopal. I'd be extremely concerned.
Yeah,
Arvind is saying,
they
leave
want
me
their
be.
muscles.
If something happens to me, there'll be many more Arvinds. We will not let Mr. Salves of the world
God.
carry on with this false propaganda that the law is bad. We will ensure this is a great opportunity to go out to the people, engage with them.
But
for
okay.
what the ministers are up to. What is happening to our country? Yes, Mr. Salve, we will not let you hoodwink anymore.
Okay, 1 second.
We know whose side
One
you're on.
second,
We will
one
not
second.
allow you
Mr.
to
Salve
hoodwink
is
us
entitled
anymore.
to his view.
We are not scared of you, Mr. Salve. We are not scared of you. I know for whom you're carrying the torch.
1 second.
We're not bothered. We'll tell the world, we'll engage with the
Yes.
public. What are ministers up to? What are the corruption charges against all the 162 MPs? We will
There you are,
engage with the
Aruna.
public.
1 second.
This is
That
the
is a
level of
movement.
debate.
Yes. that
The
is a
question
movement.
is,
This is the level of debate.
That is
The
the movement.
question is, Shaz,
you do
this is
whatever
the
you want,
level of
Mr.
debate.
Salve.
One
You do
sec-
whatever you do for Mr. Salve for your masters. We're
1
not
second,
scared.
Shazia,
We're
you know,
our
it's
own
not about
masters.
Mr. Salve.
You do whatever, Mr. Salve.
We
We're
are
not
here
scared
to
of
debate
you.
an issue.
We're not scared of your likes.
We
You're
are-
compromised.
Well, let
We'll
us
you
not get
compromise. You
personal,
don't care.
Shazia. let us not get personal, Shaz. You see, we are here to debate an issue at a certain.
No, he says something. He says something. I'm responding to that.
Yeah,
and I will continue to respond like that.
Second.
It is personal. it is about all the
Shazia, 1 second. Here the other side tonight.
For somebody.
You see, where is all this heading?
I don't bear it anymore.
Where is all this heading? You have to deal with it in a cool manner. Where is all this heading?
I'm happy I provoked this response.
Arnab, I'm really sorry, Arnab.
1 second. Now just one
level of debate.
In a cool manner.
1 minute, Mr. Chandra Mohan. Mr. Chandra Mohan.
We have been struggling, Arnab.
Mr. Chandra Mohan, I am letting the floor to Dr. Ram Punyani. I'm letting the floor to Dr. Ram Punyani, Professor Ram Punyani from Mumbai. If he wants to make a point, please. Yes, Mr. Pun.
I think there is a need to...
Your point is to Shazia?
My point is to Shazia and also to other panelists. I think the time has come that when we reflect back the whole issue as it began 2-3 years ago, we see its flaws, and as Mr. Salve was correctly pointing out, that we need to look at this whole Jan Lokpal bill, the various trajectories through which it went. Also, we need to see that there are a lot of current mechanisms which we can use in catching the corrupt ministers.
Let's talk about the SIT. They want an SIT against 14 ministers.
But even before SIT, other ministers have been implicated in the beginning. So there is SIT is not going to do anything great.
You feel an SIT only against 14 ministers is
I think it's
selective?
A partial view. It's a very partial view.
It's a partial view?
It's a very partial view, and I think it also reflects the agenda of those who are spearheading this particular campaign.
Yeah, Kiran Bedi.
That's right.
Kiran Bedi, what about Kiran Kher? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If Kiran Bedi is watching the program tonight, he'd say I lost it. Okay, Kiran Kher. Kiran Kher, this is, you would not be in a happy situation today. For example, if the same Team Anna went to Bhopal and sat and said, we want an SIT against the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister must now have a SIT against the Chief Minister because there's a lot of illegal mining going on, and there is illegal mining going on in his own district. No, 1 minute. It's a fact.
What about Narendra Modi?
Okay, now Harish Salve adds Narendra Modi to the list.